6:45 in the morning. It's cloudy, and this is what the ranch looks like when it's pitch dark and there's no full moon. The moon is but a slither. Look how dark it is. I was hoping to see some stars, but it's just so cloudy. I think we're supposed to get some rain this morning, so it was kind of cool though, right? Could you be out here? So quiet. And this is a little later, so now it's 7:25 in the morning. We've had a little sprinkling of rain, just a smidge. It actually looks lighter on the camera with the light from the camera. But dusk. Dawn is breaking. It's so quiet. I love it. I think what I like about it the most is the lack of city noise.